everyone, I'm your science teacher Hemlata Chandolia. Students, today we are going to continue chapter 3rd of class 8 science, that is synthetic fibers and plastics. Students, in previous video we had discussed about synthetic fiber, what are synthetic fiber, different types of synthetic fibers and their basic properties. Okay students, today we are going to discuss about plastic and the impact of plastic on us and on environment also. Okay students, before starting about the plastic, just have a round around your surroundings. अपने चारों तरफ एक बार देखिए, how many materials, how many articles you can found which are made of plastic. You can see many articles, many materials which are made of plastic. You can observe in many supermarkets there are lots of containers, there are lots of materials, there are lots of articles which are made of plastic. In our ancient time, beta, most of the utensils, most of the equipments or implements, they are basically made of metals, isn't it? But nowadays metals are replaced by plastic. You can see toys are made of plastic, your chairs, your buckets, mug, isn't it? And the fittings of electricity also, they all are made of plastic. What is plastic? Students, plastic is a polymer like synthetic fiber. Okay, so what we can say? We can say plastic is also a polymer like synthetic fiber, and again plastic is a polymer, then it is made of repeating units, and those units are chemical substances. And from where we found, from where we prepare the plastic, basically they are manufactured from chemicals found in crude oil. Okay, so we can say they are also from manufactured from the petroleum products. Okay, all plastics do not have same type of arrangement of units. Yes, in synthetic fibers we learnt about the linear arrangement and cross-link arrangement. Same here, all the plastics don't have the same type of arrangement of units. They have different. Some have linear like this, okay, and some have cross-linked. Okay students, so what is plastic basically? Plastic is a polymer. Students, we can say plastic is easily moldable. Yes, आपका जैसा मन करता है आप उसको वैसे मोल्ड कर लेते हैं. It can be shaped in any form. Just have a look at the glass, have a look at the bucket, chair, fine, and different other materials, your ruler, fine. Or plastic can be recycled, reused, colored, melted and rolled into sheets and made into wires also. Yes, हम प्लास्टिक को हर तरह से मोल्ड कर सकते हैं, रोल कर सकते हैं, उसके वायर्स बना सकते हैं, उसको शीट्स में ट्रांसफॉर्म कर सकते हैं. Okay students, have you observed when the polythene bag burn? Yes, when it burn, it melts and you can find out the droplets also. So all the plastic can burn, or can it change the shape, or we can say is it melt also? And when the plastic burn, it gives a noxious smell. Okay student, so on the basis of the property of being heated, we can divide, we can categorize plastic into two types. First one is thermoplastic and second one is thermosetting plastic. Okay students, what is thermoplastic, what is thermosetting? देखो बेटा, thermoplastic is that type of plastic in which the arrangement of units is linear. Okay, or they can be molded in any shape. Yes, they can be melt when we are applying flame, when we are applying pressure on it, fine, and they can be recycled. Is it clear students? What are thermosetting plastic? In thermosetting plastic, the polymers are arranged in cross-linked arrangement. Okay, and yes, they cannot be deformed on heating, they cannot be melt. फाइन, यहाँ पर हम थर्मोप्लास्टिक को डिफरेंट डिफरेंट शेप्स में, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट कलर्स में मोल्ड कर सकते हैं, ओके, बट हियर दे कैन नॉट बी डिफॉर्म्ड, फाइन, एंड they cannot be recycled also. Fine students, let's understand with a tabular form what is thermosetting, what is thermoplastic. Student, we can say they can be deformed easily on heating and can be bent easily. Fine, and here they can be molded once and cannot be softened by heating. हम इनको कितना ही गर्म कर लें, soft नहीं होंगे. They literally need some specific treatment. Okay. They are made up of long chain polymers with linear arrangement. Yes. Thermoplastic में कैसा arrangement होता है polymers का? Yes, they are linear arrangement. The polymers get highly cross-linked when they heated. Okay. They can be recast into different shapes and they can be recycled. Again, a very important question, a very big difference. And thermosetting plastics cannot be recycled. Examples, yes, polythene, polyvinyl chloride जिसको हम PVC भी कहते हैं, important question है, and polystyrene. और what is polystyrene? Polystyrene are, you can just observe polystyrene, जितने भी आप फास्ट फूड पे, फास्ट फूड सेंटर्स पे फास्ट फूड खाने जाते हैं, स्ट्रीट फूड जब हम खाते हैं, दे आर गिविंग अस द फूड इनटू प्लेट्स विच आर द डिस्पोजल प्लेट्स, इजंट इट? वो कुछ हमें थर्मोकोल जैसा अपीयरेंस देता है. दे आर polystyrene. Okay students, and here examples are bakelite, melamine. Okay. अब let's understand about thermosetting plastic. Thermosetting plastic में दो important examples हैं. What are they? First one is bakelite and second one is melamine. What is bakelite? Yes, it is used for making electrical switches, handles of the various utensils. हमारे घर में जितने भी हमारे यूटेंसिल्स हैं, आइदर यू आर यूजिंग द कुकर, यू आर यूजिंग फ्राई पैन, उनकी जो हैंडल्स हैं वो प्लास्टिक के बने हुए होते हैं. व्हाट टाइप ऑफ प्लास्टिक इट इज़? इट इज़ बैकेलाइट. फाइन स्टूडेंट्स. melamine. Melamines are used for floor tiles and kitchenwares and fabric which resist fire. Yes, which fabric? You have seen the fireman, and the fireman's uniform is having a coating of melamine because वो उनको आग से बचाती है. आपके घर में switches हैं, plugs हैं, they all are made of bakelite. Okay students, let's understand the properties of plastic. On the above discussion, we can say that plastic is light. Yes, you can see the polythene bags को देखिए, how much light they are. They are strong. Yes. They are durable. Yes, they are having long life. And they can easily handle. Yes, they are easy to handle. They can be molded into desired shape and sizes. Yes, हम हमारे according plastics को कलर, अपने अकॉर्डिंग कलर चेंज कर सकते हैं, अपने अकॉर्डिंग उसको शेप दे सकते हैं. अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग, ऑल दीज आर सिंथेटिक वन, और सिंथेटिक चीज़ों में हम हमारे अकॉर्डिंग करेक्टरिस्टिक्स पुट कर सकते हैं. व्हाट आर द एग्जांपल्स? यू कैन से PVC, पॉलीथीन. ओके, you might have seen all these polythene bags. Students, they are the poor conductor of heat and electricity. Yes, important question. Always remember, plastics are poor conductor of heat and electricity. Okay, that's why they are used for making switches, plugs and sockets. Fine. और इसीलिए हमारे जो घर में जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी वायर्स यूज़ होते हैं, वायर्स होते हैं मेटल के, बट देयर कवरिंग इज मेड ऑफ प्लास्टिक. Students, examples you can say bakelite, melamine, Teflon. Plastics are non-reactive. Yes, ये इसका सबसे important characteristic है. It is non-reactive. ये यूजुअली ना तो पानी से रिएक्ट करती है, ना हवा से रिएक्ट करती है, एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द केमिकल से भी रिएक्ट नहीं करती है. फाइन. एंड दे डू नॉट कॉरेट और रस्ट, ना ही जंग लगती है ना ही कुछ और होता है. दैट्स वाई प्लास्टिक रिप्लेस द मेटेलिक पाइप्स. पहले हमारे घर में मेटल की पाइप्स फिटिंग्स में इन सब में काम में लिए जाते, बट नाउ डेज दे आर रिप्लेस्ड. फाइन, दे आर पाइप्स रिप्लेस हो गए हैं, मग्स रिप्लेस हो गए हैं, बकेट्स रिप्लेस हो गए हैं. In ancient time, or just go before to 10 to 15 years back, you can see the buckets are of metal. हमारे एल्यूमिनियम की, स्टील की, पीतल की, इन सब की buckets हम यूज़ करते थे. mugs are also, they are made of metals also. So students, plastic had take over the metals. Students, plastic are also waterproof and it is impermeable for water also, isn't it? So it is airtight and can be used to store solid things, liquids and food items like chips, milk, oil, etc. आप दूध का पैकेट देखिए, हम जो दूध लेके आते हैं, इट इज़ पैक्ड इन प्लास्टिक. ऑयल पैकेट्स देखिए, जितने भी आप रिफाइंड लेते हैं, मस्टर्ड ऑयल लेते हैं, अलॉन्ग विद इन बॉटल, दे ऑल्सो कम इन द पैकेट फॉर्म्स. एंड द चिप्स, the preserved food that we are taking by, either it is biscuit, either wafers, whatever, they all are packed in plastics. Plastic is everywhere. We can't imagine our life without plastic, isn't it? Student, plastic finds extensive use in healthcare industry. Yes, it is also useful in healthcare industry. How? Whenever you are getting any wound, any injury, the thread which is used for the stitching, टाँके लगाने की जो thread काम में आता है, yes, it is also made of plastic. And syringes, जो injection आपको लगता है, it is also made of plastic. Doctors or the nurses just wearing the gloves, they are also made of plastic. Have a look. Plastic is everywhere. Okay, students. We also can say that plastic is used as a part in airplanes, aircrafts, cars due to its light weight. आपके एयरप्लेन्स हैं, आपके हेलीकॉप्टर्स हैं, आपके स्पेस क्राफ्ट्स हैं, इन सब के पार्ट्स को भी बनाने के लिए प्लास्टिक यूज़ में होता है. वाई? बिकॉज प्लास्टिक इज़ वेरी लाइट इन weight. It is the characteristic of plastic. Okay, we can say Teflon is used for the non-stick coating on cookware. Yes, we are using non-stick utensils at home for making dosa, for making uttapam. We can use it without it. So what is that utensil made of? Have a look here. ऐसा ही होता है. अब इसका जो inner coating है, ये किसका बना हुआ है? It is made of Teflon. Fine. And we are also using the containers for microwave oven. हम माइक्रोवेव ओवन में भी प्लास्टिक से बने हुए कंटेनर्स को यूज़ करते हैं. द प्लास्टिक वेयर इज़ यूज्ड फॉर कुकिंग फूड इन माइक्रोवेव ovens. I hope all these things are clear to everybody. Let's proceed. Plastic and the environment. Students, प्लास्टिक का environment के साथ बहुत बड़ा एक relationship establish हो चुका है, because we found plastic everywhere. At your home, you can observe plastic utensils in kitchen, at your stationery, at your table, at your bed, at your school, everywhere, your vehicle, fine, and even your book covers. What all are they? They all are anyhow made of plastic. Students, plastic causes serious environmental and health problems. Students, have a look on these pictures, beta. These pictures shows that what is the impact of plastic on an environment. Have a look in this picture. You can see that a cow is searching food in the heap of plastic. But when for the cow it is not possible to find out the food, what the cow do? Cow engulf the whole polythene and it starts chewing that polythene also. But the gradual use of these polythene bags, it chokes the respiratory system of cow, and very soon there will be a thin film of polythene in the stomach of the cow, and just because of that reason cow will die. फाइन स्टूडेंट्स, ये सबसे बड़ा रीज़न है. इट जस्ट a cancer occurs in such animals, in street animals. Okay students, just have a look here. It is chalk drainage system. हमारे आसपास जो ड्रेनेज सिस्टम है, नालियाँ हैं, they all are just chalk just because of these polythene. These polythenes are light in weight. When the wind blows, they just scattered here and there, and finally they just got the destination. And what is the destination? That is water. क्योंकि पानी में एक बार गिर जाती हैं, then it is not possible for them to scattered anywhere. And in this way they chalk that drainage system, and just because of this chalk drainage system, they are the main reason of the floods also. Okay students, have a look here. What we do, we just collect the plastic from the heap and then we fill them into the landfills. It is a landfill. अब यहाँ landfill में क्या होता है? They are dumped into it. Fine. अब उनमें आपने इनको डंप कर दिया है, आपने इनको दाब दिया है, and just because of that, अब इसका प्रॉपर्टी क्या है? It is durable, it is tough, it cannot degrade. So finally it cause soil pollution एंड वाटर पोल्यूशन. धीरे 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 पॉलीथीन्स आपकी सॉइल में, आपके लैंड में सेटल हो जाती हैं, एंड इट्स टेक्स सेवरल ईयर्स टू डिग्रेड द पॉलीथीन, एंड व्हेन एवर द रेन कम्स इट बिकम्स इम्परमिएबल फॉर द वाटर. ओके स्टूडेंट, और उसकी वजह से क्या होगा? पानी आपके ग्राउंड टेबल तक नहीं पहुंच पाएगा. So in this way it cause many toxic substances and soil pollution and water pollution. Students, just have a look. Whenever we just try to burn the polythenes, it gives you a noxious smell and it produces very toxic substances, and it ultimately affect the environment. Fine students. अब ये सारे रीज़न क्यों हैं, ये सारी प्रॉब्लम्स क्यों हैं? क्या है पॉलीथीन के पास ऐसा? येस, द बेसिक प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ पॉलीथीन. इट हैव लॉन्ग लाइफ, ड्यूरेबिलिटी, टफनेस, एंड येस, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, इट इज़ रेजिस्टेंस टू केमिकल्स. फाइन स्टूडेंट, और वी कैन से इट इज़ नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल. ओके, वी कैन से दैट material, that is the plastic, is non biodegradable. Important one. What does it mean? It means non means not, bio means living, degradable, it means able to be broken down. Fine. जिसको degrade, biologically degrade नहीं किया जा सकता. Fine. What are biodegradable substances बच्चा? A material which gets decomposed through natural processes, just as by the action of bacteria. अब biodegradable substances कौन से होते हैं? The fruit and vegetable peels, the food materials, either they are cooked or raw. Fine. Such materials are known as biodegradable. And what are non-biodegradable? Which cannot be degraded by the natural processes, that is by the processing, by the action of bacteria, like plastic. Students, what we can do for the conservation of the environment? So let's discuss about the disposal of plastic waste and conservation action. Students, you all know the plastic takes many years to degrade naturally. Fine, there is no other system to degrade it. We know it is just because it is resistant to chemicals. So we can say the plastic take many years to decompose completely. There are following steps which we have to follow for the conservation of the environment. The first point is segregating biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste and disposing them accordingly. Yes, आप बायोडिग्रेडेबल एंड नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल सब्सटेंसेस को या वेस्ट को अलग अलग डिस्पोज करिए. एंड द नेक्स्ट वन इज डेवलप इन्वायरमेंट फ्रेंडली हैबिट्स. यस, जब हमारा काम एक जूट बैग या एक पेपर बैग से हो सकता है, then why we are just again and again asking for the polythenes? Whenever you go for the, or whenever you just go for the purchasing the vegetable, any type of material from the market, just go through with your bags. Fine, don't ask for the polythenes. आप मांगेंगे तभी तो आपको दिया जाएगा. If you just show your bag to that person, he or she will give you that particular material in your bag. Fine. And yes, in this way you are helping the environment, beta, and this is the right way. And don't throw the garbage here and there. You always have to segregate the waste and dispose them into the different buckets accordingly. Okay, and use the 5R principle. Have a look. What is 5R principle, beta? Reduce, yes, plastic consumption, reduce करिए. Reuse, yes, आप प्लास्टिक से बने हुए मटेरियल्स को reuse करिए. Why don't you use it again and again? Fine. Recycle, yes, हम जो थर्मोप्लास्टिक है हम उसको रिसाइकल कर सकते हैं. सो वी हैव टू रिसाइकल द प्लास्टिक. रिकवर, यस, अब रिकवर भी करना चाहिए. And refuse, सबसे important, this one is my favorite and it should be yours also. Why? Refuse करिए. Whenever the vendor is providing you the polythene bags or what type of the plastic he or she is giving to you, just try to use the metallic things, or try to use the natural sources. Just use your tiffin, स्टील का बना हुआ टिफिन यूज़ करिए. स्टील की जो मेटेलिक बॉटल्स आती हैं वो यूज़ करिए. whenever you have to carry the things, use the jute bag or the paper bags, isn't students? So in this way, by following these rules, you can help the environment, and yes, it is our responsibility to save our environment. Students, in this way this chapter completes here, and I hope everything is clear to everybody. What we had studied today, we studied about the plastic. Yes, plastic is a polymer like the synthetic fibers. Yes, it is having a long life, that is durability, it is have toughness, and it is of the important feature that it do not react. Fine, and that makes it super one. Fine, and we can't imagine our life without plastic. And what we have to do, we have to follow the 5R principle for environment conservation. And we also discussed about the types of plastic, thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic. In coming video, we will discuss the exercise section of this chapter. Till then, revise this chapter and take care yourself and follow 5R principle. Thank you everyone.